Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, how are you today? I hope you are doing well. First, let me introduce myself. My name is Rismari Hadatul Aisyah. In this video, I would like to presentation about my journal in the subject of social linguistics. The title is Code Switching and Code Mixing in Indonesia, Study in Social Linguistics. So, let's get started the presentation. First, I will read the abstract of the journal. The title is Code Switching and Code Mixing in Indonesia, Study in Social Linguistics. Code switching and code mixing are part of the study of bilingualism in social linguistics, which have become a very popular language. It is to be an influence for smooth communication in Indonesia because many Batak Toba and Mandailing speakers who realize code switching and code mixing using other language such as Indonesian and prevent misunderstanding and prevent dead language speaker. The method that is applied in this research is qualitative research, which uses interview technique, questionnaire, observation, and record for taking the data. So, the research was conducted by taking the real data from communities in North Sumatra, Indonesia. From the research, we found 75 expressions from 3 places of the research. There are city of Medan, Siantar, and region of Mandailing Natal. In addition, code switching and code mixing in Indonesia have been divided into number that is occur in Indonesia, which reaches 57.3% from all the data. Then for the second and the third position are phrase and sentence level, which reach 40% and 17% respectively. Journal, I will show you table of content I will explain in this journal. First, sociolinguistic. Second is bilingualism and multilingualism. Third, code switching, and the last is code mixing. First, what is sociolinguistic? Sociolinguistic is the study of language function in social context and language development in society. This is in accordance with Noam Chomsky in Romania 2001, which states that the focus of sociolinguistics is on difference in language used in society so that an object of language learning can become an object of another language. And Fishman states that the interaction between these two sociolinguistic aspects is people's habit about language use and the social composition of habitual action. In relation to its presentation, sociolinguistics is the science that study the development and level of language used in a society where there are bilingual and multilingual discussion about combining language that are in accordance with the rules and not in accordance with the rules but are used by the community and accepted by the community. Code switching and code mixing. Next, the second, I would like to explain bilingualism and multilingualism. So, Bloomfield also found that bilingualism is the ability of the speaker to use the language evenly. In line with the previous opinion, Lado argued that bilingualism is the ability of use two languages by a person well or almost the same, which is related to the knowledge of two languages regardless of levels. From the previous statement, it can be concluded that bilingualism is the use of two languages by speaker of a language. Interaction with speaker of other language. Apart from bilingualism, there is multilingualism. In fact, the concept of bilingualism and multilingualism are the same. However, multilingualism is associated with speaker use of more than two languages when communicating with others on a rotating basis. Okay, next, the third, I would like to explain about code switching. What is code switching? Code switching is the use of multiple language in words, phrases, and sentences even within a single paragraph. This is according to Helms. Code switching is a change in the use of two or more languages, several variations of one language, or even some kind of style. Based on the opinion of experts, it is clear that code switching is a naturally produced language product by people who use multiple language code. The duplication in the level of words, phrases, and sentences does not violate the rules of this product in the structuring of words, phrases, and sentences which are in both languages, because keywords are great for catching your audience attention.
And the last, I would like to explain about code mixing. Code mixing is a system of using a language where mixing or combination of different variations is the same clause, say, genre. Code mixing is described in the sentence, "This morning, I sudah bawa my baby to near baby sister." Based on this example, code mixing occurs due to mixing of speaker of the two language in mixed sentence. In code means that there a dominant language used. For example, in dominant English, his speech was dominant as in Indonesia official, but occasionally it was interspersed with a foreign language to make it look cool or acceptable. The code mixture is divided into two, namely, one is mixed code into inner code mixing. That means mixed code originating from the original language with all its variations, formal, standard, informal, and non-standard. And the second is mixed code to the outer code mixing. That means mixed code that come from a foreign language. So, the basic difference between code switching and code mixing is that code mixing occurs when speaker mix or enter foreign words, other codes, in the language that is predominantly used. Yes, including that use of foreign terms that appear intellectually. During code switching, speaker change the language used to encode the other for consideration of other people, the speaker themselves, the presence of three speakers, for example, among Javanese, a third of Sumatra continue to come, they transfer the code to Indonesia. Create a sense of humor or increase prestige. Code switching and code mixing is the same, that it's common is multilingual societies that use two or more language. Differences in code switching occur between the language used by autonomous, conscious, and deliberate individuals or certain clauses, while code mixing occurs in the primary code or code-based use which has function and autonomy, while other codes are involved in its use. It is fragmented, devoid of any autonomy or function as code.
Okay, that's all I can explain in this presentation. I'm sorry if there are any mistake. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Goodbye in the next video.